Somebody mention birds? Hey there buddies, and welcome back once again to another little video. And today we have a woodpecker. This is a grey headed woodpecker, and more specifically the subspecies we have here in Thailand is the black naped woodpecker. The grey headed woodpecker has a huge range covering most of Europe and most of Asia. Although their plumage varies significantly across their range. The birds from northern Europe to northeastern Asia tend to have pale grey heads and pale grey wings. Birds in the rest of mainland Asia average darker overall with dark napes and crowns. And that's what we have, the black naped. Their favoured habitats vary with their range, including many wooded or semi-wooded habitats from lowlands up to the highlands. As you can see here, this one has the red crown, which shows that this is a male bird. Lacking the red crown, obviously, is the female. But you can clearly see here the black nape. During the summer months when water levels are low, you can quite commonly find these at the little photography waterhole hides, and these ones were filmed in somebody's garden actually, coming down for a few bananas. This male bird was quite happily enjoying his little snack on the bananas until he was disturbed by a streak-eared bulbul, which scared him away, and the bulbul took over the feeding. And don't forget to check out the merch store, where now you can get some beautifully printed mugs with this bird adorning the side of the mug, amongst other species. So be sure to check that out. Anyway, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. So here goes. Righty ho, that's it for now. Just a short little video on the Grey Headed Black-naped Woodpecker. Don't forget, check out the merch store if there's anything you like. Some of the t-shirts, photography hides, and the wonderfully decorated mugs sporting your favourite birds. Which one's your favourite? Which one would you like to see? Don't forget, drop me a line. Right, well, that's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.